Okay, children, how do you feel?
Can I take the chapter from
Some
first
holidays you
onwards?
got, isn't it? Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
3 holidays.
Feel happy? 3 days holidays. Okay. Huh? Without any class. I didn't take remedial also. I didn't disturb you. But tomorrow onwards, we have to start with. Okay. We start with remedial classes also of exponents. That chapter is little
Ma'am, I was not
for
there
some
for
of
that
you.
chapter.
So we'll start with that chapter of remedial class. Now, we have started already with the area and perimeter, isn't it? Chapter 11. We have
Yes,
started with that chapter and
We reached the area of square.
area of a square. Okay, area of a square and area of a
Rectangle.
rectangle, perimeter of a
Chapter of
square, perimeter of
exponents,
a
I was
rectangle. We
not
have
there.
seen what are the formulas also. So today we will be doing the problems related to that. That is the basic thing. Okay. After that, we'll pass on to the next shapes. So,
Ma'am, Emelina is saying something.
Emelina, what are you speaking? Anything?
Ma'am,
No.
I was not there for that last chapter exponents.
Exponents. I will be taking remedial class. Okay, listen to that. Almost all important types of problems we can discuss in that. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Wednesday and Friday.
this
Wednesday and
chapter
Friday.
remedial class you didn't start, right?
I didn't start. I'm going to start Wednesday. Wednesday and Friday we can conduct remedial classes.
Ma'am, you will start from
1 and 2.
exponents, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Only very less number of students are there. So I'll be doing only group 1 and group 2. Okay, half an hour with all the other equipments. I cannot spend too much of time. Group 1 and group 2. Even if 3 groups are there, I am getting only 4 or 5, maximum 6 students for remedial class. Okay, so 2 groups will be there, 2 days, Wednesday and Friday you will be having. Yeah, whatever's, okay. Tanmay have sent a message. Okay. Just listen to it. When I am asking you the questions, you have to answer. Okay. All of you.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the area of a rectangle? We have, can anybody say the formula? Area of a rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B.
L into B.
Yes, length into breadth.
Bread.
Is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into
2
into
into
L
L
plus
plus
two
B.
B.
into
These
L
things,
Plus
these things
B.
I think not only in 6th standard, you are studying from the beginning, no? Like
Yes.
4th
only
standard
studied.
onwards you study, or
Fourth or
3rd
fifth.
standard onwards.
Yes.
Area, perimeter of a rectangle, square and all you know already.
Yes.
So no need of much explanation for that. What is the area of a square? Square means
S,
all sides are equal.
L
So
into
into
L or
side.
L
Side
square.
into side.
side area.
L square.
What is the perimeter of a square?
4L.
4 into side.
Into
Perimeter
side.
4 into
4 into
side.
one side, isn't it? 4 into one side.
Side.
Okay. So we'll be doing some problems related to that. Clear? So I'll send you the questions. Don't, no need to just read the questions what I am writing and you can think about and do it yourself. Okay. No need to copy the question and all. So while copying the question, you will not be listening what I am saying. So no need to copy the question. I'll be writing on the board, just to read it, understand and do it yourself. It is easy. Only area perimeter of the rectangle and square is coming. Okay. So do it and find out the answer and tell me. Okay, I'll write the question.
Chapter name area and perimeter.
Yes.
Yes. 1 minute. I'm taking easy board.
Perimeter and
Okay.
area.
Okay, listen to the first question. Easy questions it is. See, the perimeter, find the perimeter of a rectangular float First one, find the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Rectangular
Ma'am, we
plot
should write, right?
whose breadth is
Ma'am, we can write,
no,
right?
no, whose, I will send it. Breadth is, just read it. Breadth is, whose breadth is, just read it and start doing it. Okay. Breadth is 300 meter and length is 500 meter. Length is 500 meter. Next one, meter. Find its area. Find its
Ma'am, we
area.
have to find the perimeter and area also.
You have to find the area first. It is first one A. It is A. Okay, A. Then this is B, and C is find the cost of the plot if the plot if 1 meter square of land cost 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000. Yeah. Okay. Read the question carefully in your mind. Read it carefully in your mind and write down only the important numbers which you want and important things which you know how to read and note down like that, no? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just write down the numbers which you want. Length is equal to this much, breadth is equal to this much, cost is equal to this much, like that. Okay. No need to copy the question, but write down the important details, whatever you want, then try to do it.
Ma'am, plot if 1 m square.
Float is
1 meter square.
1 meter square.
1 meter square. 1 m square is 1 meter square. We read it as 1 meter square area. Isn't it? Meter square represents area. Meter
Area.
square is used for area. Perimeter, we use only meter. Think and try to answer it. First of all, read it. Ayan, you are not doing anything. You are biting your nails and sitting. Do it. Do the problem. Take your notes and do the problem. I will be sending the classes in your group. Somebody of 8C have entered. Please exit. It is 7th standard class. Shreya, Ishal, Amal, Ishal, Anusha, switch on the videos, find out the answer. No need to copy the question. Just find out, write down the important things and you can answer it. Anthony, Babu, Rudra, Sunil, Abhinav, switch on your videos. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, Rudra, can you tell me what is the perimeter of the rectangular float? Length is given, breadth is given, isn't it? So, what is the area you got?
Ma'am, perimeter.
Perimeter. Okay, first it is asked to find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, how much? What is the formula for perimeter?
2 into L plus B.
L
Into
plus
L
B.
plus
So,
B.
perimeter of the
600.
rectangular float.
1600.
Yes, very good.
1600.
Perimeter of the rectangular float.
1,000.
Rectangular float is equal to
300 plus 500.
2 into
2 into
L
L
plus B.
plus B.
So that is 2
2
into
into
what is length?
500. 500.
Length
plus
is
500.
500 plus
and breadth is
800.
300.
300.
2 into
So we will get 800
500 plus 300 is 800.
into 2.
So that is 2 into 800. You will get it as 1,600 meter. Perimeter. So not meter square. It is meter. 1,600 meter. All of you got?
Meter.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
the perimeter. Okay. Then now area we have to find out.
80,000.
So we'll find out area. What is area?
L into B.
Area is equal to
500
500 into
breadth.
300.
That is equal to
80,000.
500 into 300. That is equal to how much?
1,50,000.
50,000.
350 balance 4 zeros.
150.
Isn't it?
1,50,000.
So we have 1,50,000 meter square is the area.
Square.
Okay, that. Now just check the question. All of you switch on the video. I can see only
Ma'am,
the
that area, can you
vacant
explain?
spaces. Tanmay, switch on
500
the
into
video.
500.
500 into 300. We get that.
Aditya, what is the
150,000.
Okay, sir.
Yes, who is speaking? Any doubt, children?
Thing, ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am.
cleared it.
So here, when zeros come, it is easy to multiply, no? 500 into 300. 5 into 3,
5 into
right?
3,
So
zeros.
put that 4 zeros along with that. That's all. Now, what is the last question? Find the cost of the plot if 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000. Isn't it? So, one plot for 1 meter square area, meter square, okay. For 1 meter square, what is the cost? 10,000 rupees.
10,000.
So, what is the total area we got here? It is 1,50,000 meters square.
50,000.
So, what will be the cost?
Ma'am,
For 1
So it
meter
will be
square,
10,000.
1,50,000.
So we have to into 10,000.
yeah. So 1,50,000 into 10,000. Okay.
10,000.
So that is the answer.
Answer.
Find out what is the answer.
1 crore,
Yeah.
5 lakh,
1 crore?
50 lakh,
No.
15 crore.
You will get
1,50,000 into 10,000, right?
150
so
crore.
Ma'am,
cost
1
of
crore
150 crore. 150 crore.
is equal to 1,50,000. What is the total? 1,50,000 is it? Yes. 1,000 into 10,000. So what will be the answer? 1,540
1,50,000
150
plus the other 4 zeros.
15
Isn't it?
and 9
So how many zeros? 4 plus 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you need
80.
tens, hundreds,
50,000.
thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh,
150
crore,
crores.
10 crore, 100 crore.
150 crores.
150 crore. Isn't it?
150 crore.
150 crore. It is. Or in British system, it will be
1 billion.
1
billion.
1 billion and
1 billion and 50, 500, 500 million.
okay, you can say just write the number, cost. So you can put it like this. Okay. So it is 150 crore rupees. Understood, children? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We'll do the next one. Questions, I'll send it to you. No need to write down the question. If you write, you won't listen to the answers. That's why.
I'm like
Okay. Next question is this. Find the area of a square park. Find the area of a square park. See, all of you switch on your videos. I cannot see anybody over here. Gauri, Shankari, Rudra, Sunil. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter, 320 meter. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. The square park is given. Okay, think and answer it.
1,280 meter.
Hmm?
Don't say it.
1,000.
Don't say.
Is what is
Don't
given?
say.
1,280.
Don't say.
What is given? It is perimeter is given to you. Perimeter of
area
what?
is given, right?
It is square. Park is in the
I got the answer.
yes, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it is 320 square meter, so, meter square.
320 meter square.
Ma'am, can I
Area.
Yes.
say the answer?
Yes, yes. What is the answer?
1,400 meter square.
Correct. Who said?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. Okay. Listen, children.
I thought
What
it
is
is
given?
perimeter.
I have told you when word problems come, you have to read and understand the problem correctly.
Yeah, I
Okay.
told the answer of the
Ahmad
period.
Affin, Vaishnav Suresh, switch on your video, no attendance otherwise. I won't give you the attendance. Switch on your videos. Find the area of a square. See what is given. Perimeter is given of what? Perimeter of the square is given, isn't it? Perimeter of a square is given. Read the question thoroughly. Otherwise, you will not be able to answer it properly. First, you read the question. What is given?
Perimeter of the
parks
square.
whose perimeter is 320. So, perimeter
6,400.
6,400. Yes. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is what? What is the perimeter of 4 into one side, isn't it? 4 into one side.
Divided by
One side.
4.
So that is equal to
80
how much it is given?
80.
320
80.
meter. So
320.
4 into L is equal to 320. So what is L? 320 by
80.
4.
320 divided by 4
That
is
is
equal to 80.
80.
meter. 320 divided by 4. That you will get
80 into
80 meter. So what is
80.
asked? Find the what? Find the area.
Area.
So perimeter is given. You are asked to find the area.
Area.
So
So,
So
800.
area. At one
6,800.
side you got. So
One
what is
side
area?
is
Area
80.
is
Side
equal to side into side. One
So 80
side
into
we got.
80.
One side is 80 centimeter. So it is 80 into 80.
80.
answer
6,800.
is 8 into 8,
6,400.
64. 8 into 8,
64.
64. Then
So
0,
6,400.
0 meter square.
6,400
Area is meter square.
square.
Unit is meter square.
Yes.
So perimeter of the square is given.
Is equal
Given
to
is perimeter. What perimeter means? What? 4 into one side.
all side.
For a square. Now we find one side from that. Then we find area from that. Please ask me if it is not clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
All our videos are switched off. Why?
Ma'am, Dilla, she told that she's
Only
having
one told
network
many
issue.
of the videos are
Ma'am,
switched off.
Anthony has
That's why.
network issue, Anthony Babu.
And
Okay, now
then
we'll pass on to the next problem. Next one.
Ma'am, 1 minute, don't.
Uh, Next one is easy. Finished? Okay?
Yes, I think. My thing.
Okay. Now, next question is this. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot if its area is 440 meters square, 440 meters square, and length is 22 meter.
22.
Okay, find out. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot. If its area is, shape is rectangle. Area is given 440 meters square and length is given 22 meter. So
Ma'am,
find
for
out the
area, we always write
20.
meter square.
meter square. Yes,
ma'am, it's the answer 20.
20. Correct.
Sir, can
Correct.
answer 84 meter?
Yes,
20.
84.
20 is the answer.
20 meter you will get as answer. Correct answer is 20 meter.
Ma'am, 1 minute, can we do?
I'm 20, right?
Just see this. Find breadth of a rectangular plot if its area is 440 meter square. So rectangular plot area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle.
L into B.
Length
into
into
B.
length into breadth, isn't it? Length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. And that
22
is, so we have that is equal to 440. That means what is length here? Length is given
Total amount
22. 22 into breadth. That is equal to 440. So what is breadth? 440 divided
We
by
have to find
22.
22.
We will get
22.
answer
We'll get
as
20.
2 into 2 is
20.
44. So 20. 20
20.
breadth
meter.
is 20 meter. That's all.
I'm finished.
Yes? Finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Now, next one. Next question is this. area of a square park, the area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. See, area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is, if the side of the square park is 60 meter, and the length of the rectangular park is, and the length of the rectangular park is, no need to write, you just read it. Length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. Find the breadth
Of rectangle.
of the rectangular park.
Ma'am, don't say the answer.
Okay, find out. The area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. You have to think and answer. Okay, think yourself and try to answer it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, 40.
That's
Yes.
a 40 meters.
Yes, very good, very good. Who said the answer?
Everyone.
Lakshmi.
Ishal.
Ishal. Okay, very
Ishal.
good. Others find out the answer.
Ma'am, 40 centimeter.
Oh, 40 meter. Very good. 40 meter is the correct answer. Okay. So area of a square park is same as that of a rectangular park. It's the side of a square park. So you know area of a square.
40 meter.
40 meter. Correct. Area of a square is equal to how much? Area of a square is equal to
L into L.
3,600.
equal to
Side
side
into
into side, isn't it? Side into side.
Side.
So what we will get? That
16
one side is
into
given
60.
60 meter, isn't it?
So into
60
60.
meter. So 60 into 60.
60.
So we will get
So
area
3,600.
1600 meter square. Area 60 into 60. Now that area is same for the rectangular park also. So area of the rectangular
So,
park, area
90
Divided by
into 90
rectangular
is
park
equal
is
to
equal to
3600 meter square.
rectangular park is equal to 3600 meters square. Okay.
Divided by
Okay. What is the area of the rectangular park? It is L into B.
90 meter.
L into B. So we have
L into B.
L
So
into B
length
we
is
equals.
have to
12.
divide it by 90.
Yeah, 1 minute. We have L into B is equal to 3600. So what is, one side is given, isn't it? 90 meter. 90 meter is given. So what is that? It is breadth of the, length of the
Length.
what?
So we have
Length
to
of the
find the
rectangle. So 90
So,
into
90
breadth
into
is equal to
90.
3600. So what is breadth? 3600 by
3600
Divided by 90. So we will
so
get
you know
40.
it is
So
how
we'll
much?
get 40
9,
as
how many
answer.
times in 36? 4 times.
4.
Yes.
4 times. 0 you can cut, then 360 by 9 it comes, that is 40. 40 meter. Answer is 40 meter.
Now you can rub.
Hmm? Okay,
Done.
right now. Okay, is it clear, children? Question is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this type of question twisted here and there will be coming. So you have to think and answer. First of all, formula should be thorough. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to do it. I'm not asking this because it is understood from 5th standard onwards you are learning the area of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle, etc. Okay. So let me take the attendance, or one more problem you can do. It's lengthy problem. Anyway, you read the question, we can discuss. Okay. Next problem is this.
Ma'am, are you
Next
giving
question.
one more?
Next question. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent, if the same
Ma'am,
wire
rebent means?
is rebent.
Ma'am, rebent means?
Yes, yes.
Rebent means?
Rebent means reshaped. Again, twisted and made into other shape.
Oh.
Rebent. Once more, bend once more. Okay. Now, first one, it is in the shape of a rectangle. The same wire, we will make it into the shape of
Straight
a
and you
square.
can make another shape.
Reshape it. That's the meaning. Rebent. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Which also find which shape encloses more area. Also find which shape encloses
Ma'am,
more area.
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. What you are asking, what is the question first? Think, what is the question? A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, the wire now it is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, and what is given? Its length is 40 centimeter. Okay, what is the breadth given? It is 22 centimeter.
Ma'am, is the answer 3520?
What is the question asked last? Which shape encloses more area? And also,
Ma'am?
what will be the measure of each side?
Ma'am, is the answer 961 centimeter square?
Yes, meter square. Wait, that we will discuss. Okay. What is the first main thing? What you have to understand is a wire is bent into the form of a rectangle first. Then it is untied and it is rebent into the shape of a square. Now you listen to me. This wire is in the shape of a rectangle now. If I cut and open it, I will get a wire fully, isn't it? What is the length of the wire? Can you tell me? It is equal to the is it equal to the perimeter of the rectangle?
Yes,
What is the meaning of perimeter?
ma'am.
And this so if the rectangle is 22 centimeter here, this also will be 22. This will be 40, isn't it? That you know, no?
Yes.
If a rectangle, you know, opposite sides are equal.
2
Yes.
into n
Ma'am,
plus
should we find the perimeter?
124.
So when you cut open it and stretch it like this, you will get a straight
124.
line.
Yes.
That is the
120.
equal to the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Perimeter of the
Yes.
rectangle. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle?
124.
124. You added and find out 124 that this whole wire perimeter is 124. Okay. Same will be the perimeter of the square, isn't it? Whether
Yes.
you bend it into a circle or whether you bend it into a rectangle or any other shape, the same wire is used. So the perimeter of the figure
124
make
by
remain
4.
the
Divided
same.
by
Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Isn't it? What is meant by perimeter? You add up all the side. Total length of the shape is known as the, whatever be the shape, that is known as the perimeter. So if you cut open it and stretch it into the form of a wire, that is the perimeter of the wire. That if you make a square with that, perimeter is not going to change. So perimeter remains the same. So what will be the perimeter of the square?
31.
31 meter square.
Perimeter of the square is
31.
124.
24 divided by 4.
124. Okay.
100.
Then 124
By
you can
4.
divide by 4 because 4 into one side I'll explain in the next class. This period is not enough. Okay, so this one you understand. When you change the shape of the figure, the perimeter remains the same. Now think and try to answer yourself, all of you. Clear?
Okay,
By the
ma'am.
next class, you try yourself. I have given the clue. Okay, now find out the answer for that by the next period. Okay, children? So I
Okay,
wind
ma'am.
up now. I have to take attendance. 3 minutes I need for that. So we'll answer it in the next class. By the time, find out the answer. I have given the clue that the perimeter of the square and the rectangle will remain the same. Okay, now find out the answer for that. Okay, so let me take attendance. Yes. Yes, Sriram.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Anup, he was present. Abhinav Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav Bijoy.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinav PA.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ahmad Afin. Ahmad Afin was there. Where is he?
Now he is not there.
Now he is not there. Ivan TC. Albert Jojo.
Absent.
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 Amal Anthony
Yes.
is there. Amna Suresh.
Present.
Yes. Who is this? Anan Hadid, who is present?
Present.
Anan.
Present.
Yes.
Okay. Anthony Babu.
Present.
Present.
Okay,
Present.
I got it. Anusha was there. Arjun MR.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Ayan was there.
Present.
Benedict was there. Benedict.
No.
Absent.
No,
Absent.
Carlin was there. Villa
Present.
Darshan was there. Emilina Rose was there.
Yes.
Yes.
Charles is there. Gauri Parvati,
Yes.
I didn't see her. Gauri is absent.
She is absent. She is absent.
Gauri is absent. Gokul Krishna was there, no? Yes. Kessa,
Present, ma'am.
Iza Jivaraj,
Present.
Johain,
Present.
okay, Krishna Kripa,
Present, ma'am.
Malavika,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Milan K. Jain,
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Isyad, absent. Nelvin K. Anup, present. Lakshmi is present. Parthiv is Parthiv.
Present, ma'am.
Parvati is there. Prajita is there. Pranavatma.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Present.
Rudra Sunil, present.
Rudra present.
Shifana.
Present, ma'am.
Shifana is present today.
Shivana is absent.
Shivana is absent.
Shifana is absent.
Shivana is absent.
Shreya was there, I think. Shreya, you didn't switch on the videos. Huh?
Shreya,
now
presently
she's
she's not there.
Now she's not there.
Shreya is present.
No,
Now she's not there.
She was there.
Before she was
Srihari,
there, I don't know.
Nelvin I wrote, no problem. Srihari,
She is absent.
absent. Tanmay,
Present, ma'am.
Uma, Parvati was there. Vaishnav Suresh,
Videos of.
Absent.
absent. Gauri Shankari was there. She was there. Okay. So thank you all. See you in the
Thank
next
you,
period. By the time,
Thank you,
you have to answer
ma'am.
for that. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.